Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at code revision process. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of code and code line, revision of code record, approval for revised code, and status of code after revision. For creation of code, we need to log in at Brilbook. So for now, I have already logged in with sales user 1. Now for creation of code, navigate to sales menu, click on codes button. Now you can see that code list page has been opened. With the help of create button, we will create a new code. Here you can see that code create page has been opened. Collapse this menu bar. Now you can see that there are different sections on this create page. There are basic and additional. There are different fields under these sections. I will enter data into only mandatory and required fields for creation of this form. I will select account as Aarti Drug Limited. Select contact. Set expiry date as 31st of May. Here you can see that status of this code is draft. I will enter billing address as Mumbai into line 1. You can see that there is a pricing tab. Click on the pricing tab. Select price list. I will select price list as premium. You can see that there is a currency field on this section. You can select different currencies like Euro, Indian rupees, Pound sterling and US dollar as per your requirement. For here I have selected Indian rupees. Now I will click on save button. A code record has been created. You can see that there's different tabs like pricing, items, orders, files and associated terms. Now we have to create code line. For creation of code line, navigate to items. Click on create button. Now code line create page has been opened. We will select product category as ball bearing. We will select product as angular contact ball bearing and enter quantity 10. There are different fields like discount type, tax group, tax and miscellaneous amount details. You can enter this data as per your requirements. Now click on save and close button. This button will help us to save this record and it will directly redirect us to the code detail page. Now you can see that under this item tab, a code line has been created. For the purpose of code revision, initially we need to submit our code. For code submission, click on the ellipse button. Under approval, click on submit button. A quote has been submitted and status has been changed as submitted. Now you can see that different buttons like draft, revise appears on this ribbon of this quote detail page. Now to revise quote, we'll click on revise button. A new quote create page has been opened. You can see that under the pricing field our quote has been mapped and price list has been already mapped as we have selected into previous quote. Now we'll click on save button. Here we can see on the quote detail page our status is draft, and now we can add or remove or make changes into our quote line. So now we will add another quote line. Here I will select product category as coupling and select product as beam coupling and enter quantity as 15 and click on save and close button. We can see that our another quote line has been added. Now we need to approve this quote. For approving this quote, click on ellipse button, approval, and click on submit button. After submitting this quote, we will approve it. Again click on ellipse, approval, and click on approve button. Enter the record, actual close date for approve record section. Click on submit button. Now our quote has been approved. We can see that our status has been changed as approved into this status field. So in this video, we took an overview about quote revision process. We saw creation of quote and quote line, then quote revision, and approval. Thank you.